35 kilometers we have to ride on a single road, and then from there we will catch hold of the National Highway 16. सुप्रभातम. टुडे इज़ 9th डे ऑफ आवर जर्नी और हम जो है ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए जा रहे हैं. हमारी सबसे लंबी जर्नी है, अबाउट 300 किलोमीटर्स. तो हमको आज जल्दी निकलना था. वी टारगेटेड अराउंड 6:30, बट 7 o'clock हो गया और हम अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं. ज़्यादा डिलेड नहीं है, 8 घंटे करीब की जर्नी है. तो इस बार लास्ट डे होने की वजह से थोड़ी सी पैकिंग वगैरह भी उस तरीके से की हमने कि सो प्लान इज़ कि वी विल बी गोइंग एंड पुटिंग आवर बाइक इन द ट्रेन लगेज, एंड वी ऑलरेडी हैव अ रिजर्वेशन टू रायपुर फ्रॉम Visakhapatnam. The train is at 9 o'clock in the night. Finished our breakfast and about to leave. It's about 8 o'clock now. हमारा इंटरकॉम काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो उस वजह से we were struggling with it. But it's not working. Very difficult to ride without intercom. It's very helpful in communicating each other. Okay, ready to go. Ganpati Bappa Maurya. So bye Sterling Pulavalli Resort. Was a night stay here. So 8 बजे है, तो 8 से 8 घंटे विल बी अराउंड 12 4 बजे 3-4 बजे. सो लॉन्ग राइड टुडे. फिर उसके बाद हमको स्टेशन में देर आर नो वेटिंग रूम्स, रिटायरिंग रूम्स. वी हैव टू गो टू द सेम होटल वेयर वी आर स्टेइंग so that we can change. Then we have to take the bike to the railway station to put in luggage, then come back again to hotel, collect our luggage, go back. So it's a long day today. Hopefully we'll be overcoming it. 35 kilometers we have to ride on a single road, and then from there we will catch hold of the National Highway 16 near Rajahmundry. We don't need to go inside Rajahmundry, and there will be a bypass which will be taking us through. काकीनाडा to Dindi वाला रास्ता जो था, that was, although it was just 120 or so kilometers, but it was not that great. It took around 5 hours to reach here. I'm hoping this will be much better, because majority of the portion is on National Highway, so that should keep the things simpler. Till NH16 it will be like this. So it's not really a single road, better than single road. Sun rising between the fields, beautiful views, banana trees. Wow, Shobha, see, right side. So different times of the day, the hues are different, you know, the color combination, and the greens change. sometimes it appears to be lighter green, sometimes dark green. So a lot of similarities with Kerala and I think some part of Odisha and West Bengal also. All coastal areas would have coconut trees and paddy fields. India is blessed with lot of coastal length. So all are the peninsula. What we have is quite long. इतना लंबा coastal length होने की वजह से we have some of the stunning places, stunning nice climate. This area they have I think 2 or 3 crops in a year, 3 crops in a year. So that's the reason it is very rich. Irrigation की वजह से जो they have a continuous supply of water. Other parts of the country, I think they take 2 crops or some areas even only 1 crop, which are totally dependent on the monsoons. Again we are on a single road. Road is also bad at places. I'm wondering कि हमने कोई road miss तो नहीं कर दी है. Although it is showing, Google is showing the same route. But what happens is as soon as you miss a turn or something, then it reroutes, and by the time you realize that, it's too late. So day before yesterday we had issues and we got lost for about an hour. Don't want to do it today. आज ऐसे ही हमारा दिन बहुत लंबा है. Cannot afford to lose our way today. Google Maps have been a boon, especially in Indian context. I think हम कितना भी Google बोल दें कि at times it takes you on a wrong route, but because of Google Maps being so user friendly and convenient to use, I've not used any other maps in India like Map My India, and there are a couple of others which are popular. But with Google Maps, it's like I'm riding through gullies, various countryside and villages without stopping, without asking for our way, just because I have it opened in front of me and it guides you well. So it's makes your journey that much smoother. अगर आपको हर जगह रुक के रास्ता पूछना हो तो it's very difficult. I used to use paper-based maps earlier when I used to travel. That is a different navigation altogether. उसमें भी बड़ा मज़ा आता था, बड़े बड़े maps, state maps खोल के. But when it comes to village roads and mapping of smaller lanes, nothing like Google Maps. It's very convenient. बिकॉज आप मैप खोल के एक गली में नहीं देख सकते ना, जो राइट टर्न ले रही है, लेफ्ट टर्न कितने मीटर्स आगे आने वाली है. अब हम जिन रास्तों पे चल रहे हैं बाइक से बड़े कन्वीनियंटली निकल जा रहे हैं ना, छोटी छोटी लेन्स हैं. एंड सो that's the reason when I choose on Google Maps, when I choose bike as a mode of transport, so there are various options. It provides if you are on a 4-wheeler, public transport or or a two-wheeler. So when I choose that, sometimes it gives me a lesser time than four-wheelers, just because if there are smaller roads, you can skim through those much quicker on a bike.